is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. They got one out of China. This is JML with their Big Soup, Big Taste beef. And it's big, and it has artificial beef and golden soup. So it's time to do that. And it is one cloudy, excuse me, rainy, crummy day outside. And, yeah. Whoop. Ah. Cloudy, rainy, crummy day in Western Washington. Ow. Fuck. That was uncool, yo. Wow, that really hurt. It's been a first world problems kind of day. But hopefully it will get better. And let's add our vegetables. There they are. I'm just going to vacuum. How often do you see somebody vacuuming the stove, ladies and gentlemen? But it's just easier sometimes. So yeah, it's Wednesday. Poor Mimi's still out of school. And it's crappy outside. Seeing as this is a Chinese variety, I'm just going to add this in too. It's just kind of how it works. They like to throw everything in all at once and boil, boil, boil. Versus the Japanese ones that tend to have more... Okay, now put this... Now wait a little bit. Now put this in. Now wait a little bit. Now put this in, kind of thing. I don't know which one's better. I tried to go with packaging instructions, but this is one of those Chinese varieties that has zero packaging instructions, which is, you know, what I found though is that all this kind of stuff that I've watched a lot of Chinese YouTubers and what's the one, Youku people making instant noodles, and 99% of the time they're using 500 mils of water. So that's what I do. Yeah, zero packaging instructions. That's helpful. They just figure, well, you just know. You just know the way to do it. You must. Yeah, already been kind of a day. Although I did make some eggs, and they came out pretty good. So let's see how this will be. Hopefully it will go well. As the timer ticks down to nothingness. So yeah. It's Wacky Wednesday. You guys like my new shirt? Yeah. Yes, I will be voting for Biden. If it bothers you, that's fine. Shouldn't. It doesn't bother me if you vote for Trump. Whatever. It's gotta be. Oh yeah. Maybe there's been a debate. Oh, this will be coming out mid-August, so I'm guessing the big conventions just happened or are about to happen. They might do their conventions early this year, is my guess. Interesting. I don't know about this one. There's our broth. It's very tangy, not stodgy or punchy. Actually, I guess it is punchy. Oh, come on. Too many chords. Alright. I'm going to use this bowl. Since I've got extra time, this bowl I really like. I like oddly shaped bowls because it's definitely oddly shaped as opposed to like the standard just round. But they can be a lot of extra work. Like a lot. Hey there out there. Alright. Chinese sausage. And lightly hued egg. Oh my god. Really didn't have a lot of time to marinate, but I don't care. And of course, we're going to add our scallion. I've been kind of taken to calling them scallions lately, so that's what I've been doing. A little bit of seed. Yeah. I want you to see the dang broth. It is big soup. I will give it that. It does have a big taste. Yeah, it's tangy. There we go. Mimi's out there watching YouTube. I decided to allow it. Figured that would be, I don't know, it sucks to have the poops. That's all I'm going to say about that. She's 7. She doesn't know what to make of it. She doesn't like it. Definitely been cranky. But, yeah. Alright, so the next one you're going to see me do is this. This is from Malaysia. This is Mommy Chef Tom Yum. And yeah, that one's going to be good. I know that much. So yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Reader wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.